Is it too late to buy Solana? Look, Solana has been the darling of the cycle. It's getting all the attention. It's the best casino in town. It's where all the meme coin jazz is happening at. But is it too late to buy Solana as we get within 10% of a new all-time high? And maybe it's even at a new all-time high by the time you watch this video. The question needs to be asked. Can Solana still outperform this cycle? How high can it realistically go this cycle? Well, I want to answer those questions for you and more, including stuff like what are the catalysts that are even going to get it there? Let's get it. So first and foremost, where are we at right now with the price of Solana? This is an important starting point for our conversation. At the time of recording this video, we're about 10% away from hitting a new all-time high for Solana. Look at that right there. So current price around 245, previous all-time high price around 270 bucks. Okay, so about 10% away approximately. And again, maybe it's at an all-time high by the time you watch this video. But overall, the charts for Solana are looking freaking fantastic right now. I mean, look at this. This year we had this incredible breakout. So this was the resistance that was set up back here at the start of the year in March and April. That line got taken out by an incredible candle. It took us from 155 all the way up to 210 in a single week. Closed that candle body over that line of resistance and then grinded up higher to the next major area of resistance here at 250, where we have so far failed to take out that resistance. The next line, of course, is the all-time high price is up around 265, 270. So that's where we are currently, okay? Major breakout happening on Solana, okay? Hit the next major area of price resistance, which we have to get through in order to get onto the previous high resistance, and then we're into price discovery, which is very, very exciting. Now, what's interesting to note is that on this move, as insane as it may sound, the RSI hasn't even hit overbought yet. So there's still a lot more room momentum-wise for Solana to keep running here, okay? For point of reference, we were more overbought, or we actually got into deeply overbought territory back here in December 23 and in March 24. But on this new run, as we near price discovery for Solana, we have not yet hit overbought territory. Again, lots of momentum left in the tank for this asset. Looking at the weekly MACD, very similar situation. We are far from a topping moment, still trending upwards very strongly and likely to go up much, much higher than where it currently is right now. So again, a lot of fuel left in the tank here for a Solana move in the coming weeks and months. It won't go up forever, obviously. And when you see that MACD take a strong turn down and you see a MACD weekly crossover and a bearish crossover, so the blue line going underneath the orange line, probably time to get out and run for the hills because the market cycle is probably going to be over at that point, okay? Just FYI and what to watch out for later. But that's for later us to worry about. Between now and then, we have glorious price discovery to look at. By the way, if you're a cryptocurrency trader, I've got a crazy deal. You need to listen up to this. Right now, the guys at BitUnix have a crazy, crazy deposit bonus going on. It only lasts for a few more days until November 23rd, so you need to act now if you want to take advantage of this. Here's what you do. Click on the link down below, deposit $200 or more, and you're going to get 150 USDT back. Okay, you'll get 150 USDT coupon you can claim. They put those out every day, so you don't have to wait like a week or weeks or whatever in order to get that bonus. It's a daily reward payout after you deposit that $200. Now, BitUnix is a no KYC exchange, so essentially these guys let you come over here and trade popular altcoins, crypto market futures, all that kind of stuff with privacy. Okay, so if that sounds like something you're interested in, you want to learn more about, link down below in the description. Go check it out. Again, limited time offer. Now, what are the catalysts that are going to send Solana to the moon? Well, in case you've been sleeping under a rock, Solana is the darling of this cycle. It's where all the exciting shit is happening right now in crypto. I know we have great stuff happening over on Base. We have Base season, and we have other layer 2s that are getting attention like Linea, and we have new blockchains like Sui and Aptos getting a lot of attention too. But Solana, it's the big boy this cycle. It's the ETH of this cycle. ETH's price stagnates. Solana's price is soaring. Solana market stats, on-chain stats, everything is soaring. Mario here pointing out Solana surpassed $70 billion monthly DEX volume. Solana just hit that for the first time. Solana did 7x Ethereum's 24-hour volume. That's insane. Meme coins still pumping. Whiff and Bonk sit in the top 40 by market cap. Big stuff happening. Solana even surpassed all layer 2s in DEX volume for the first time ever. Solana price discovery will melt faces. What about this news? Solana now drives 45% of all on-chain DEX volume across hundreds of different blockchains. It is where everything is happening this cycle. Solana is the big story, and all the metrics are off the charts for Solana. And as soon as this thing starts price discovery, it's going to go absolutely bonkers. But how high can the price realistically go? I know we have great catalysts and everyone's very excited about it, and we're on the verge of a price breakout moment. Well, let's talk about that. So here is the chart for Solana, okay? Draw the Fibonacci's on there. Let's see what we got. So as we near in on price discovery in the mid 260 zone, let's just call it 270, where do we go from here? Well, the first major target is right here at about $400 and let's say $20, which would be a hilarious price point, obviously, for it. The next major price point at the 2.618 Fibonacci line comes in around $675. So let's just, round up and call that about $700. The 3.618 Fibonacci line comes in around $920. Okay, let's call it $900. Now, if we push right to the top and get to the 4.236 line, that brings us in at $1,100 price target for Solana, which is like the peak maximum price likely this cycle, unless I'm just not being anywhere nearly bullish enough and everything just pumps way beyond anyone's potential imagination. These are realistic price targets. And even if they don't sound realistic right now because of we're just in the early stages of breakout, altcoin season hasn't really taken off yet, et cetera, these are actually realistic price targets, okay? Now, how high do we go? Which of these price targets can we get to? Can we actually get up to the $900 market cycle peak price target? Yeah, I think we can. If Bitcoin goes to $200,000, which is about 120% or something from here for Bitcoin, then why can't Solana see a 2-to-1 beta in that situation against Bitcoin? Probably similar returns, maybe slightly better returns than Ethereum, although Ethereum may be even a slightly more interesting bet just because it's so undervalued. But then like the catalysts and the on-chain metrics are just so damn good for Solana. How can you continue to ignore it? Anyway, still great price movement, especially if you've been holding Solana for a while, or if you're looking to buy Solana on the breakout of that 250 to 270 zone. Okay? A lot of opportunity left here for Solana. It's a major crypto asset. It's lower risk compared to a lot of the other stuff you're going to buy, but it's also not as high potential reward because the market cap is so damn big right now. Also, I'd like to point this out, that when we hit $270 per Solana back in the day, the market cap was only around $78 billion. Now, you will probably notice that we have not actually hit a new market cap, a new price per unit high. We're still about $25, $30 away. But we have hit a new market cap high. So the current market cap of Solana is around $115 billion because we've had so many new coins enter circulation in the past 3 years. Okay? So that's something to keep in mind. So we've had huge amounts of new supply entering the market here for Solana. So in order to get back to that previous per unit price high, we're going to be about $130 billion market cap, so almost twice the market cap to get the same per unit previous high price, right? Something worth considering. So when you look at a potential price target of $1,000 per Solana, what you're really talking about is a market cap of $600-700 billion, which is pretty significant if you ask me. Just food for thought. I'm not saying that can't happen because crypto is absolutely ridiculous and anything can happen, but those are some pretty big gosh darn numbers. Now, if you are looking for a higher performance potential play, by the way, obviously it's a meme coin, so who the heck knows? Solana is the safer play, but if you take a little more risk and assume that something like Dog with Hat's not going to exit scam tomorrow, when Solana starts breaking higher and Solana goes from 250 to 500, for example, in that situation, my guess is that you'll see things like Dog with Hat repriced much higher. It'll have a major breakout and it'll go from its current 350 up to $10 or even $15 during that breakout. So while Solana puts in 100% gains, you'll see major beta plays in the Solana ecosystem like Dog with Hat put in 300 or 400% gains. Jupiter, Jito Solana, Popcat, stuff like this become things that you might want to be paying attention to. If you're not in the Solana train already, maybe these slightly higher risk but higher reward beta plays can become more attractive for you. Anyway, those are my thoughts on Solana and what a realistic target could be for it this cycle. Let me know. Do you agree or disagree? Is this too bullish? Is it not bullish enough? Let me know your thoughts down below in the comment section. Peace.